everybody! Welcome to 2021! Happy New Year!
Happy New Year, everybody!
I wondered when you were going to chime in. I'd like to welcome everybody to the first Friday free ride of 2021. My name's Sonny the Badger, and that's Mama Badger up ahead of me on the B-Ride, on the Badger Mobile. And we are headed to Black Widow Harley Davidson. And there's a whole story behind this. So let's talk about it. Alright, Mama Badger. So, why are we going to Black Widow Harley Davidson?
Well, let's just say I hope our girls don't watch this video.
Yeah, because they won't know. Anyway, so you probably heard me tell you before, my youngest, Baby Badger as we call her, has always said that she wanted her motorcycle license. So I have always said, when you turn 18, you can get your motorcycle license. Well, I have softened my stance a little bit on that, only because of what we're announcing on Saturday. That's the only reason. So I've decided to go ahead and let Desiree get her license a couple months early. So we're headed to buy them their course. But here's the other wrinkle to this. My oldest daughter, Nerdy Badger, has never shown any interest whatsoever in riding her own motorcycle. And then Tuesday night, what did she tell Mama? What'd she tell you, honey?
Yeah, so Wednesday we went out to lunch, and we were talking with our friend, and she just out of the blue says, you know, I'd get my license. I'd ride. I'm like, what? What did you just say? I thought, nah, she's just... she's just saying that. But she's like, well, if I'd known I would have got a motorcycle, like Desi's getting a motorcycle, then I would have got my license too. I'm like, what?
FYI, Desi is not getting a motorcycle.
What am I sitting on?
The Badger Mobile.
Yeah.
That is not Desi's motorcycle. That might be a motorcycle she rides that I own, but that is not her motorcycle.
All right. Okay. I told her, I said, if you're really interested, we got a couple extra bikes. She's like, yeah. I am. I would do it.
So, we're going to get her course as well. We're going to send both our daughters through the course at the same time.
So we're headed to Birch Plaxido to
pick up a couple gift certificates for it.
Yep. 2 riding courses for our baby girls.
So I'm going to do a whole video series on this from start to end. They have no idea we're out buying these for them right now. We're going to gift them to them, but then you guys will kind of see from start to end, neither one of these girls has ever ridden a motorcycle at all other than on the back. So they're going to go through the course, then they're going to go through Daddy's course, and...
through Daddy's course, huh?
Mama went through Daddy's course too. Well, there's riding on a course, and then there's riding on the street. Two totally different worlds. So they can ride behind and beside Daddy for a little while before I let them ride out on their own. But we'll be a full family of motorcycle riders here soon. And
I can't wait.
And like I said, do you want to share this with any young people you know that are anxious or nervous or wanting to get their license? Because we're going to take you through the whole thing. I will interview the girls after each day. You know, what the class was like, how they felt, what they did wrong, what they did right. Kind of lead you guys through the whole thing.
Well, so Baby Badger, she's been learning to drive stick. She's rode our truck and the Jeep.
So yeah, Baby Badger definitely has an advantage because she knows how to drive a stick. And we tried to teach Neve, but she had zero interest.
She had no interest, but I think we should make her.
We probably should.
I mean, that definitely helped me, for sure.
Just to understand the mechanics of a clutch, shifting, throttle.
Yeah.
I imagine that would be a big help. So anyway, this Friday free ride is all about getting my two teenage daughters, 17 and 19, riding their own. And it's going to be a surprise, so I don't know when we're going to give it to them, but we'll record their faces when we do, hopefully.
Yeah. I can't wait.
Maybe we should give Desi hers when she gets off work. Or you wanted to give them both at the same time?
I was thinking both at the same time.
I just didn't know when we'd get that opportunity.
Well, we gotta get them in the room together.
We need to check on your helmet while we're here too.
Agreed.
Alright guys, so kind of a short and sweet Friday free ride, but follow along on our adventures this year as we get both of our daughters licensed as motorcycle riders. We have our huge announcement tomorrow night at 7 p.m. You don't want to miss that. And remember guys, it's not about the destination.
It's all about the ride.
See ya! Have a great 2021!